All right, welcome back to this tour of MyConference Suite. We're going to continue in this segment with the registration module, and we're going to look specifically at discount or coupon codes, our registrant data, invoicing, email, our event builder, and our field builder. All right, let's get started. So discount codes. Discount codes are great for event marketing and promotion. MyConference Suite allows the event organizer to create their own discount codes on the fly. And I'm going to go through that process with you right now. So in order to create a discount code or a coupon code, we just click this button, New Coupon, and we give it a name. We can call this Member Discount, Member Promotion, we give it a date range. So if we want to just run a member promotion for, let's say, the 15th of February, we can do so, and it can run just for the day, and we can run it right to the end of the day. There we go. And we can say there's a maximum of 10 allowable. So only 10 people can receive this discount code. If you want to have an unlimited amount, you just leave that field blank. So the discount code can be calculated as a dollar discount or as a percentage discount. If you want to do a percentage discount, you can just type in 10 for 10%. And then there's some follow-up questions that we ask. Can they be combined with other coupons? Is it applicable to someone that's already registered? And do you want to apply it automatically? And then do you want to apply it to a specific segment? So you can actually target a registrant subcategory, or you can target a component of your registration. In order to apply the coupon and make it live, all you do is you hit the save button. All right, we're going to get back to our dashboard here, and now we're going to take a look at registrant data. So MyConference Suite has a nice robust interface for accessing your registrant data. We've got a search button at the top, which allows us to target a specific registrant. We've got our show hide button, which allows us to remove or show specific fields that we want to see. We can sort these by name, alphabetically ascending or descending, and we can export to Excel. What can we do with our registrant data? Well, we can go into the registrant data and we can see the selections that this person has made. We can make changes to this. We can see a registrant log, which identifies when they've gone into their registration and what they've done. We can resend their confirmation email, and we have registrant links to their landing page, their payment page, as well as their completed page. So you can see this is just a summary of their selections. The other area of the registrant record is the invoice. And the invoice is a very nice, robust interface that allows you to make changes to the invoice. So let's say, for example, your registrant is canceling, but you don't have a 100% cancellation policy. Your refund policy is, say, 50%. We can just edit the invoice, and we can create a credit of 50%, and we can apply it. And 1 and 42.50, and check, and that change has been made. So you can see that I've made some entries of the same nature in the past doing other demonstrations, and the system does record, all the activity on that invoice, whether it's active or deleted. Once I close my editing function, my invoice is adjusted and it shows that I have a refund owing. And up here at the top, I can actually issue the refund without re-entering the credit card information. I'm going to go back into this invoice and we're going to cancel this. And once I've canceled that credit, we're now balanced back to zero. The other thing you can do is you can issue a void or a refund from the transaction information at the bottom. All right, now we're going to go take a look at the email function. And the email component of MyConference Suite is a robust CRM platform. We can send emails, we can run campaigns, We can filter our data. So I'm going to give you an example right now where we're going to send an email and we're going to filter our data set. The interface also includes database calls, which allow us to personalize these emails based on registrant selections. So we can actually populate this email with their first name, their company, even a URL showing their registration link. And then we can create a list from the data set. And we're going to do a filtered set, all paid registrants who have specified or who have identified themselves as a student. And we're going to calculate that record, and there's only one record. So we're going to save this, and we're now going to send that email just to that filtered data set. The email campaign also manages all your email confirmations, and those too can be personalized based on registrant types. Okay, now we're going to take a look at building an event. And MyConference Suite has a great interface, an event builder, that allows clients who are using this platform on a recurring basis to actually build their own events. So we're going to go into this event builder now. We're going to select our language. Currently, MyConference Suite is available in 3 different languages. And we're going to call this Testing Event 9. The event start date will be the 22nd of February, and we'll start it at 7 p.m. And the registration end date will be the 22nd of February, and it will end at 9 p.m. Now we select our registration date range. So when can people register? And we're going to say from yesterday until the 21st. Is it a free event? I'm going to select no. So we're going to take a look at some of the gateway options that are available to us. And we're going to provide a contact info, and we're going to continue with this registration. All right. Do we want to apply tax? If we select yes, we can actually tax based on our regions. If we want to select a payment method, we're just going to select credit card only. And now we get into our gateway. And our gateway is where is this money going to go? We have pre-entered a Beanstream payment gateway, and I can enable that. Or I can add a new gateway by selecting one of these pre-integrated gateway options. We accept Beanstream, Moneris, Chase Payment Tech, PayPal Pro, WePay, Authorize, EZAC, Cygate, First Data, Stripe, Avalon, and PayPal Standard. So I'm going to actually just stick with our gateway from Beanstream, and we're going to continue. All right, now we're going to pick a template. And we've got a number of templates that are available to us, global templates as well as client-specific templates. I'm just going to use this one here, and we're going to continue. At this juncture, the builder takes us into what's called the field builder. And the field builder is basically manages all our fields and allows us to edit and move these. So as you can see here now, we've got emails sitting up at the top above the address. So I'm going to click this reposition button, and I'm actually going to move this email down to the bottom, and I'm going to move the address to the top, and I'm going to move the city under the address. So I'm dragging and dropping these fields as I see fit. The other thing we can do is we can edit invoices or edit fields by adjusting their values. So instead of gluten allergy, we're going to say peanut allergy. And we're going to save that. And now that's updated. So let's say, for example, we have this template, and this is what we usually ask with our event builds, but we have another question that we want to ask. So I'm going to drop this radio button down at the bottom, and we're going to actually create a question. And to do that, we just hit the edit. We're going to give it a title, and we're going to say social event. And it's going to be a radio, and the values are going to be yes or no. And we're going to save. And that is how you create an event. Thanks very much for touring MyConference Suite.